The purl 2 together is technically a left-leaning decrease when the purl side of your fabric is the right side. However, this decrease is commonly worked when the purl side of your fabric is the wrong side. In this scenario, the decrease is viewed from the knit side of the fabric, where it will have the appearance of a right-leaning decrease. That means that on the right side of the fabric, the knit side, the two stitches are worked together in such a way that the left stitch lies on top of the right stitch and so leans to the right. So, to work the purl 2 together, you simply insert your right needle into the front legs of the next two stitches on the left needle, going from right to left. You then wrap your yarn around your right needle and pull a stitch through. And from the right side of the fabric, you have a right leaning decrease.